Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you what is Upwork and how does it works and how can you earn money easy from it. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to know what is Upwork. So Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers in fields like writing, graphic design and web development. The site helps professionals find projects, communicate with clients and get paid. If you are a new freelancer or working in a new field, you can rank up valuable experience without always having to pitch clients cold. Is Upwork for beginners? So let's we talk about it. If you want to get started freelancing, I really think Upwork is the easiest place to start. Third question is how to get work on Upwork with no experience. First of all, you have to get a good profile picture. Second one, your language skills are important. Those who have more than one language skill, it will help to increase their skills in language. Third one is create samples. You have to create your samples based on your experience and your professionality. Fourth one is low paying jobs can be a great start. In the beginning, nobody knows you, so you have to start your job with a low price, so it will help you a lot. Fifth one is don't be too desperate. Sixth one is stay active. You have to stay active always to find jobs, and it will pay a huge amount of money. Seventh one is build your portfolio. So how can you earn money from Upwork? Before starting a contract and engaging with clients on Upwork, you will need to add a withdrawal method and set up your payment schedule so you can access your funds as soon as become available. With this method, your earning will be deposited directly into your PayPal, Payoneer or bank account. Are Upwork connects free? Okay, connects are what freelancers use to submit a proposal for job listed in the Upwork marketplace. As of now, freelancers are giving 60 free connects a month. Connects essentially is a way meaningfully regulated how many jobs a certain freelancer can apply for each month. Now, how do you get approved on Upwork 2021? Here are even steps you can take to get your profile approved on Upwork. First of all, use a business email address when you sign up. Second one, pick as many subcategories as possible. Third one, list all your related skills. Fourth one, fill out your overview section. Fifth one, come up with a specific title. And last and not the least, add all your employment and educational history. In this website, you can join the world's work marketplace. Find talent and also find work. Find talent in your way. Post a job and hire a pro. Browse and buy a project. Let us help you find the right talent. Why business turn into Upwork? Proof to quality. Check any pros work samples, client reviews and indirect verification. Second one, no cost until you hire. Interview patients fills your jobs, negotiated rates and only pay for work you approve. Last one is safe and secure. In this website you can input your skills and also can earn money. Here is some of this. First one is development and IT. Second one is design and creative. Third one is sales and marketing. Fourth one is writing and translation. Fifth one is admin and customer support. Sixth one is finance and accounting. And the last one is seal all specifications. And there are some top skills jobs which can help you to create make money from in this website. So that is for today. Hope it will help you a lot. If it helps you, then please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye to the people who loved